fried Oreos. Hey guys, it's me, Ashley Alexandra. I'm back again with another video. So today I'll be doing fried Oreos. Fried Oreos. Yes, I'm supposed to be dieting, but thank you. So let's get into it. Eggs, Oreos, and pancake mix. I got this at the shop my co-op right across the road for 31 pence. So honestly, okay, let me tell you guys something. So I was just okay. So I went in a shop. I wanted to eat something sweet. I mean, yeah, something sweet, but I want something healthy because I'm supposed to be dieting. How your girl collarbone is going, but yeah, I'm supposed to be dieting. If you don't know, welcome to my channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. Sorry for the bad manners. So yeah. And if you know me, you know like I love to see like deep collarbone. I went to the shop. I was like, okay, I want something sweet but something healthy. So like the oatmeal mixed with like raisin and stuff like that. I actually like that. I was like, I ain't sure about that. I ain't feel like eating that. So I was like, now if I pick up an Oreo, I like, you know what? I'm gonna just pick up this Oreo. And I thought it's weird. I was like, should I do cake? So I went by the cake, where they have like the flour and what's not. Then I look down, I see pancake mix. Honestly, I have never seen pancake mix since I've been up here in the UK. That is 2 or 3 years now. So I saw this and it said, yeah, it said battle mix, ID for Yorkshires. I don't know why it's that, some UK thing. And pancakes. I was like, fried Oreo. That is how this video came along. Even though you guys wasn't interested in knowing, but I just told you guys. So yeah. I'm about to get right into the video. My bowl, this bowl right here. 1 medium-sized egg. 280 milliliters of cold water, cooking oil, fry pan. I don't really use oil. This is the only bit of oil I have. I don't use oil honestly, so we're gonna just have the stove off. Okay, let me just put here. I crack this egg like a crab. Fix this. Look at it. Then let me get some oil. And you know, I went grocery shopping. I was like, I need to buy oil. I was like, I have oil too. Got this oil. It's plant-based. The reason why it's plant-based because I'm actually going to start eating healthy. I'm gonna start off with smoothie first. I believe I can. So I'll be doing smoothies only. You know me, I like my mouth so I know I could only go on smoothies, but in case like one day I really want to eat something or I'm really feeling lightheaded, I was like, I got oil, plant-based oil, just in case. It's much healthier, but it's oil. But yeah, anyway, today is the 29th of July. I'll be posting this video on the 31st or the 1st of August, one of those days. So yeah, but I'll be starting my weight loss journey on Monday, which will be the 5th of August. Yes. Yeah, I want to break my name down. So, honestly, before this video, I had a whole pack of Oreos. Don't judge me. Don't judge, please don't judge me. And I won't judge you. Cause it can get ugly before it gets beautiful. Please don't judge me. And I won't judge you. And if you love me, okay. We gotta whip this whole. This one first. Yeah. How can I forget the napkins? How can I? Okay. This is one down. I really need a napkin now. How much? I feel like doing. Okay. Take it down. How we want our thing burn? Yeah. So I tell her if we want our thing burn. Okay. Okay. Hey guys. Oh, this. Yeah. Yeah. Guys. Yeah, you got it. Okay. Mwah. My pee. My pee. Not the whole freaking thing. Ravens up. Oh, what have I been doing in my life? How come I never tried this? Am I dumb? Gotta get washed, huh? Guys. Okay, let me get close up. Let me bite together. But what did I eat? I think 6. I'm true. I 4 just now. Guys, you see about him? Guys, it's about him. Oh, look at this. Yes. I sick of it now. C'est bon. C'est bon. It was cool. T'es fini. C'est fini. Are you dumb? No, you're not dumb, Ashley. What are you guys still waiting on? Like, why are you guys still here? I finished eat. I finished eat. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. If not, change it, whatever the situation is, turn it into something positive. Don't let the emotions control you, and like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you would like for me to try any snack, junk, anything, let me know. But in September, because the girl is going on a diet, on the 5th of August. So on the 5th of August, I'm gonna be going on a diet. My mother said, Ashley, you on a forever lasting diet now. She said, I don't answer how people that diet so long like you. She said, you're on, you're off, you're on, you're off, you're on, you're off. But I should, because like I could lose weight easily. At the type of person, I could gain weight, lose it like no time. But I'm the type of person, I don't have no stomach. So let me show you guys. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Give it a thumbs up, and subscribe. Find my Instagram at ajelita01. That's AJAELE.01. Snapchat exo20_beauty, and it will be right here. Yes, so love you guys.